Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer breaded chicken bites. Let's begin. We have here 2 chicken breasts and we're going to cut them into smaller chunks. We're just going to cut off the tip first. That's one piece. Another piece. Then we're going to cut it down the middle. Just like that. And same thing right here. And then we're going to cut them into around 1-inch chunks. There you go. It should look something like this. We're going to season it with some salt, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. Again, flip it over and do the same thing. A little bit of salt, some onion powder, and lastly, some garlic powder. Next, we're going to put it into a bowl. We want to add enough mayo to cover the chicken bites. Start with that. Mix it in. Okay, the chicken bites are nicely coated with some mayo. I'm going to change out my gloves. I cleaned up the cutting board a little bit, and next we'll need some breadcrumbs. We're using Progresso garlic and herb. We'll need around 1 cup. There you go, that's 1 cup. Next we'll be adding 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. 1, 2, 3. Mix it all in. Okay, the Parmesan cheese is nicely mixed in with the breadcrumbs. We're going to put it to the side. Next, we're going to take the chicken bites and dip it into the breadcrumbs. Just like that. I'm going to finish the rest real quick. And that's it. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the breaded chicken bites. For this video, we'll be making only the first batch. For the first batch, we'll be making 12 chicken bites. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 14 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 7 minutes so far with a halfway point. Let's flip them over. Gonna flip it over real quick. Last one. We flipped them all over, and now let's put it back in for the last 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking good. Let's take one out. We're going to check the temperature real quick. And it's above 165 degrees, and we're set. For the dipping sauce, we're using Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer breaded chicken bites. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.